Okay, finally for the non-metals, we have the noble gases. These are virtually unreactive. There is a possibility to form some compounds with xenon, but it's under very extreme conditions. But generally speaking, we call them very unreactive. They are called nobles, coming from the royalty, from a noble family, because the nobles in royalty, they don't mix with anybody, so they feel they're like apart, they belong to a separate class. So that's why these elements are also considered different to the others, because they don't really tend to mix with or have chemical reaction with other elements. That's why they were called noble gases. Some of them are found in the atmosphere, but it's very difficult to find. Here you can see 1% of the atmosphere is argon. Helium is also found in natural gas deposits. And in their elemental form, all of these are single molecules. They're single atoms. They're not like halogens, which are molecules, but here they exist as single atoms, monoatomic gases. They are like colorless, odorless. They only get this color when an electric current is passing through the gas, and then it produces a different color. But just without any electricity, they are colorless and monoatomic, odorless gases. So we don't know that. Helium is also a very abundant a gas in the universe, because it is present in stars. The sun produces helium after mixing with hydrogen in a fusion reaction. So there is a lot of helium as well in the universe. So as we can see, all of them have full outer shell. So helium is the only one with two electrons, because it has just one shell and it is full with two. But all of the others, they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. Okay. Some of the uses for this one, helium is used to inflate balloons, because they are unreactive, so it will not burn, and to cool metals into superconductors. Neon is used for lights. Argon is used to fill light bulbs, and then it gives a color. We can see, we know the color that argon can give right here. You see, it's this kind of purple. But also it is used to provide an inner atmosphere for welding at high temperature. An inner atmosphere is an atmosphere that will not react. It's an atmosphere that doesn't have oxygen, so that if we can have oxygen in a place, but we need to have a chemical reaction in order to provide that inner atmosphere. We're going to use argon that will displace the oxygen, will push it away, and then we're not going to have oxygen that may affect the process of welding. Krypton is used for lasers as well. Xenon is used for electron tubes, stroboscopic lamps. Those are lamps that flash very fast and also can be used for imaging. Radium is used in the treatment of cancer, because this is a radioactive element. So those are like some of the most important applications for the noble gases. But the most important here is to understand that they have full outer shell, they are highly unreactive, and the only one here with only 2 electrons in the outermost shell is helium, because it only has 2 electrons.